Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to write a review on TripAdvisor. I wonder why you want to know how to write a review on TripAdvisor. Maybe because you just visited a place that you found from the TripAdvisor app. So now you want to give a review regarding it based on your experience that you faced there. Or there could be any other reason for you. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you can give a review on TripAdvisor. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. Now just simply tap on the icon of the TripAdvisor to open it. Once the app gets open, you will see this interface. This is how the app looks. We have some of the options at the top of the screen and some of the options at the bottom as well. In the middle of the screen, there you will find different places that you could visit. So here we are into the explore section, therefore you could find all these options. But if you go to this option review, and if you have done any reviews, you will find them here. Now, if you want to review a place, you must have visited that place, because if you have not visited it, then how you could tell about your experience regarding this place? So therefore you have to make sure that you have visited that place. So now what you have to do is that you just have to find that place that you have just visited. Let's say this is the place that you just visited. Now you just have to simply go to the down of this page, and there you will see all the reviews that have given by other customers that visited this restaurant. So here you can see these are the reviews and this is what people have said. Now it's time for you to write your review. Therefore you have to go to the top of the page, and there you will see this option which says write a review under the description, or you could say title of the page. This one, it says write a review. Just simply click onto this option, and there you will see this page through which you can give your review. Now there are 5 circles, it's like a 5 marks, so you have to give this place marks out of 5. If you had a good experience, you might give it 5. If you had a bad experience, then you can give it low marks based on what you think. After that, you have to say that for what purpose you visited that place, for business, meeting, family, friends, or maybe fun. So there are multiple options, you just have to choose what was for you. After that, you have to explain like on which time of the year you visited that place, like which month and which year. So you have to tap onto any of these options. After that, you have to click on next. Once you click here, now it's time to write your description in detail. You can type least 100 letters there, and after that at the bottom you have to summarize it. So here whatever you felt about that place, just simply type here, and you just have to simply click on done, and your review will be there. So here I have written my description and I'm just clicking on OK. After that, what you have to do is that you just have to simply click on this option, and there you will see now you have to summarize what you have written. It like it could be a word, it could be a line. For example, if your experience was wonderful, just type wonderful after click on done. So if you have any pictures of that place, you may upload it. It's optional. If you want to upload, you can upload it, otherwise you may skip this option and continue. Once you do that, your review will be pasted and this will show you like that. Now if you want to see your review, you just have to go below, and there in the reviews your review will be there. You just have to look for it, and once you find it, you will see what you have written in the review. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can give a review on TripAdvisor. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.